नींद और जहालत जितनी गहरी होगी, जगाने वाले पर उतना ही गुस्सा आएगा। Have a look at it, please. The deeper the sleep and ignorance, the more anger will be directed towards the one who awakens. Yeah, towards the one who awakens. More idiomatic translation of this Urdu line. Have a look at it. Very, very important. Please. The more deeply entrenched someone is in ignorance or complacency. Yeah. In ignorance or complacency, the more defensive or angry they'll be when confronted with the truth. Yeah, when confronted with the truth. I personally learned a lot from this character building. Yeah, character building, life changing line. I mean, नींद और जहालत जितनी गहरी होगी, जगाने वाले पर उतना ही गुस्सा आएगा. Let me know whether you learned something from it or not. The first thing. Second, I found this line on social media platform. That's why I believe that social media is a blessing. This is my understanding. What's yours? Types and related terms. There are 5 in number. Idiomatic expressions, 3 in number. Related concepts, 2 in number. Types and related concepts, 4 in number. नींद और जहालत जितनी गहरी होगी, जगाने वाले पर उतना ही गुस्सा आएगा. नींद और जहालत जितनी गहरी होगी, जगाने वाले पर उतना ही गुस्सा आएगा. इस लाइन में 3 पॉइंट्स. There are 3 words we are going to discuss. I mean, नींद, जहालत और गुस्सा. नींद. First of 3. The Urdu word नींद translates to sleep or dream in English. It encompasses various aspects of sleep. They are 3 in number. I mean, the aspects are 3 in number. The first one, the act of sleeping. The second one, the state of being asleep. The third one, the quality of sleep. Types and related terms. There are 5 in number. First, deep sleep. Gehri neend. It is characterized by intense sleepiness and a state of deep unconsciousness. Second, light sleep, halki neend, referring to a lighter stage of sleep. Third, sleepiness, neendi, describing a state of drowsiness or sleepiness. Fourth, dreamless sleep, नींद की हालत, where a person is asleep but not necessarily dreaming. Fifth, interrupted sleep, नींद में खलल पड़ना, where sleep is disrupted or disturbed. Idiomatic expressions, 3 in number. First, sleep vanishes, नींद उड़ जाना, meaning sleep is lost or disrupted. Second, sleep is disturbed, नींद में खलल पड़ना, indicating sleep is interrupted. Third, to sleep soundly, पाँव पसार कर सोना, meaning to sleep peacefully and comfortably. Related concepts, 3 in number. First, sleep quality, नींद की कैफियत, referring to the quality or nature of sleep. Second, sleep deprivation, नींद की कमी, describing a lack or insufficiency of sleep. Third, drowsiness, गनूदगी, indicating a state of sleepiness or lethargy. Jahalat, second of three. The Urdu word jahalat translates to ignorance or illiteracy in English. It refers to a lack of knowledge, a lack of understanding, or a lack of education. Types and related concepts. 3 in number. First, intellectual ignorance, adame samajh, referring to a lack of intellectual understanding or awareness. Second, cultural ignorance, saqafti jahalat, describing a lack of knowledge or understanding about cultural norms, values or practices. Third, social ignorance, samaji jahalat, referring to a lack of awareness or understanding about social issues or norms. Connotations and usage. 2 in number. Negative connotation. Jahalat often carries a negative connotation, implying a lack or deficiency in knowledge or understanding. Second, social commentary. The term is often used in social commentary to highlight issues related to education, awareness, or social progress. Its antonyms. 2 in number. First, knowledge, I mean ilm, referring to knowledge, understanding or education. Second, awareness, agahi, describing awareness or consciousness about something. Related concepts. 2 in number. First, education, ta'aleem, referring to the process of acquiring knowledge or skills. Second, enlightenment, roshan khayali, describing a state of being informed, educated or enlightened. Ghussa, third of 3. The Urdu word ghussa translates to anger or temper in English. It refers to a strong feeling of displeasure, a strong feeling of hostility, a strong feeling of resentment. Types and related concepts. 4 in number. First, mild anger, halka gussa, describing a slight or moderate level of anger. Second, intense anger, shadid gussa, referring to a strong or extreme level of anger. Third, irritability, chidchidapan, describing a state of being easily annoyed or irritated. Fourth, temper, mizaj, referring to a person's natural disposition or temperament. Connotation and usage. 2 in number. First, negative connotation. Ghussa often carries a negative connotation, implying a loss of control or composure. Second, emotional state. The term is often used to describe a person's emotional state or reaction to a situation. Antonyms. 2 in number. First, calmness, sukoon, describing a state of peacefulness or tranquility. Second, patience, sabr, referring to the ability to endure difficult circumstances without anger or frustration. Related concepts, two in number. First, frustration, mayusi, describing a feeling of being unable to achieve a goal or fulfill a desire. Second, irritation, kharish, referring to a feeling of annoyance or frustration. The English translation of the Urdu beautiful line, meaningful line, नींद और जहालत जितनी गहरी होगी जगाने वाले पर उतना ही गुस्सा आएगा. It's English translation in simple English. Yeah, simple English. Have a look at it, please. The deeper the sleep and ignorance, the more anger will be directed towards the one who awakens. Yeah, towards the one who awakens. More idiomatic translation of this Urdu line. Have a look at it. Very, very important. Please. The more deeply entrenched someone is in ignorance or complacency. Yeah. In ignorance or complacency, the more defensive or angry they'll be when confronted with the truth. Yeah, when confronted with the truth. I personally learned a lot from this character building. Yeah, character building, life changing line. I mean, नींद और जहालत जितनी गहरी होगी जगाने वाले पर उतना ही गुस्सा आएगा. Let me know whether you learned something from it or not. The first thing. Second, I found this line on social media platform. That's why I believe that social media is a blessing. This is my understanding. What's yours? Yeah, what's yours? Think about it. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.
तुर गए यार दिलां दे जानी वतन चुक मुहारा उजड़ी बस्ती यारो नजरी आवे कंड कीती जद यारा